Okay, just a quick recording here. I have my floor plan. I have my 3D picture done right there. So I want both of these to go into Google Slides, okay? Here's what we do. We're gonna go to Command-Shift-4, take a screen grab like that. So that goes to your desktop, beautiful. Second, this image, right click, save as. Something I just discovered that TIFFs don't work. The first setting here in ArchiCAD is actually TIFF, so I want you to bypass that and go to JPEG, okay? I'll type in 1B, and remember, always save your work in a certain folder. Thank you very much. That's done. Here it is, Mr. Balian. I know what your bedroom looks like. Now I'm ready to go and work on my own dream bedroom. Great. Show me the work you've done. Even though we walked around, we want to document it so it's on the, everybody's aware of our progress, okay? We got this, so now we go into here. And I'm going to minimize ArchiCAD, and I'll show you. The first thing I'll do is I'll go to the floor plan page here, schematic plans, or what did I say? Okay, that should be, the next one should be here. Hang on, come on. Okay, something's going, my network is gone. Okay, so my internet's down, that's okay. So here it is. You know when you take a screen grab, it goes on your desktop, okay? So there it is, like that, boom. Oh. Yeah, it's basically my internet is down. Okay, so imagine here, for a second, some fonts are loading. Okay, you basically drag and drop like this. Yay, that worked. Thank you, internet, for working. Yes. The next page I lost. Okay, so this one I'm going to go Command X. Nothing's working because my internet's not working. Okay, I'm just going to delete. So imagine this on one of these pages. Okay, the next one you want to bring in. These are all the wrong pages because my network is down. Again, number one frustration for me. Okay, here we go. The next one is the. Here it is. I'm going to bring this image into here. Like, the network is down. Broken record here, Balian. Yeah, thanks. Basically, the picture will go in here. Eventually, it's going to look like this. Here it is. Because you went to File, Share, Save as PDF. I'm sorry, guys. The internet's down. There's only so many things I can do here in a day. So we're just dragging and dropping. That's all I'm trying to show you. In the end, you need to go into your settings. So you see it's going back and forth up here in the blue. It means it's trying to make a connection, network connection, but it's done. So that's it, okay? Here it is, schematic plan, floor plans, eventually drag and drop. That's it, folks. What else can I tell you? File, share, nope, download, PDF. That's the last step, okay? Thanks, sorry. Internet's down. There's so much I can do. Stop recording. Bye-bye.